welcome back to the Itsy Game Series. This is the planning and design portion of the series. So for this, I want to just kind of go over some really skim down bullet points from a basic game design document, and then I figured that's a good way to also explain the plan for Itsy. So as far as the title goes, it's loosely based on the nursery rhyme Itsy Bitsy Spider. My 8-year-old, she asked me to make a game with a jumping spider, so that's what we're doing. The genre is it's gonna be a 3D platformer. It lends itself really well to the concept of the Itsy Bitsy Spider. And the platform, we're gonna do shooting for Windows Desktop and Xbox. The premise is gonna be that the player is the Itsy Bitsy Spider. They're gonna be trying to climb up a never-ending water spout by jumping from falling object to falling object and trying to avoid the main hazard, which will be water drops. We're shooting for an E for everybody here. I don't really want to make this a blood sport, so I'm looking forward to making something that my daughter can play. As far as gameplay elements, the major elements that we're going to try to incorporate here are going to be the ability to have falling objects that you can jump from, checkpoints. So as you make a greater height, we can save that checkpoint and return to it. A jumping character with the ability to rotate the camera. I think when it comes to rotating the camera, I'm going to make that a little different than your average platformer, but we'll see how well that works. If it doesn't, I can always change that around. The main hazard, obviously, is going to be water drops. And then I'm thinking also adding some flies or coins for pickups, and we'll get to that as we get there. And then also I want to record the maximum height that was achieved, and that'll be kind of like the main driving goal is to see how far you can go before falling. So now that that's all put out, I look forward to getting to the next video and getting started.